Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create a HelloFresh account using your web browser, whether you are on a phone or a computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, start by opening your browser, navigate to your search engine and go to www.hellofresh.com. Make sure it loads the correct region like the US, Australia or wherever you live. On the homepage, tap the three-line menu icon at the top left corner of the screen and tap Login. So if you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and tap Login. But for this video, we are trying to create an account. So scroll down to the bottom of this page and tap Sign Up. Here, enter your email address and create a strong password and tap Continue. Here, simply enter your zip code. Once done, tap Continue. Next, choose your meal preferences like veggie, family friendly or low calorie. For now, I'll go with veggie. Tap Continue. Now simply tap your preferences, meals that fits your lifestyle. I will go with high protein and low carb. Tap Continue. So here I care most about saving my money and save time. Eat healthy also. You can just choose whatever you like and tap Continue. Just go with these two. How many people will be eating? I'll simply go with this. Okay, here you'll be asked to enter your credentials. I'll just do that. Let me enter my suite and my phone number. Once done, simply tap Next. So here are some delivery options you'll get. I will simply go with leave at front door and tap Continue. This is a very long process. Here you just need to add a payment method. HelloFresh accepts most cards and in some countries PayPal too. And tap the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. Review your plan and simply tap place order or finish to complete the setup. And that's how you create a HelloFresh account using your browser, whether you are on your phone or computer. If this video helped, hit like, tap subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.